everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I am doing this video because someone had asked a question about doing a burlap rug. And yes, I do use burlap when I'm making a gift for someone, or maybe a family member or one of my kids. I'll use the burlap because, for one, it's cheaper. It's easily accessible. I could get it from Joann's, and I could get a lot for probably like half the price that you would pay for monk's cloth. So this is just me putting the burlap on the frame. You have to pull this really tight, you guys. There are bigger holes in the burlap, and for me, I used clips. So I just put the clips on, each section. And later on in this video, I'll explain even more, like the differences, the goods, the bad, the ugly, about using burlap. If you guys like my content, please like this video and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so the biggest difference I can see in using burlap and monk's cloth is you're always gonna have to readjust, right? But the biggest thing is you super duper gotta readjust with these, because let me show you. It's got bigger holes than the monk's cloth. So as you can see, it's gonna, rip into it pretty good and, give it a lot of stretch or whatever. So you just take it off and just, readjust it. Also, I use those. So I got a little extra pull going on as far as that's concerned.
I don't know what you mean by, so I got a little extra pull going on.
Okay, sorry y'all, that's my watch. Anyway, anyway, back to what I was saying. Same thing does the same thing. You just gotta make sure that sucker is tight. Because if not, you are not gonna get the results that you're looking for, right? Another thing, when I'm using burlap, I make sure to cut it. Now this one I didn't do as well with that as far as the length. But you gotta make sure you cutting it. Let's see. I don't know how long that is, but let me, dang, where is mine? Alright, I don't know where my ruler is. So we just gonna take this gem right here. So you wanna do at least, let's see here, at least 4 to 5 inches extra on the side. The reason why you want to do that is that when you're pulling it, you can pull it from the back and you can wrap it around and you can hold that clip on there. So that's the reason why you want to do that. And like I said, I didn't cut enough over here, but all the other sides, they're good. They're good enough to be clipped. So those are really the only tips that I have. I will also say, make sure you have a really good Sharpie, because you want to make sure that you're drawing on this. So when you buy the burlap, don't buy the brown burlap. Buy like this light skin burlap or whatever. And you can like draw on it better. Thanks everyone for watching. Part 2 is coming up soon. Please hit the like button and subscribe.